Keep your hands up on top of your head, man. We'll wait till another unit gets here. Just go ahead and just keep facing that direction for us, alright? We've got 3 subjects here. They're all 3 stopped. They're waiting for additional units. Keep your hands up on top of your head, man. On top of your head, man. Dude, you gotta listen and keep your hands on top of your head, alright? The guy in the black shirt's not being 100% cooperative. He was refusing to keep his... Alright. Male subject in the black shirt, I want you to walk backwards to the sound of my voice. Walk backwards on the sidewalk to the sound of my voice. Just the guy in the black shirt. Keep coming back.
Keep walking back. Don't look back here, look straight ahead.
You got commands?
Stop. Turn to your left. Turn to your left.
We gotta get back farther over here.
Alright, walk straight back. Straight back. Keep coming. Keep coming. Don't look back here.
Stop.
Get down on your knees. Down on your knees. Put your hands straight back behind you. Go on your side. Stand up.
Bro, you got my hands. You got my phone?
We'll grab it in a second.
Bro, I just got off probation.
Do you guys have any weapons on you?
No.
How old are you?
I'm 17. Taking my little brother to go do some QC. Damn, this shit just happened last night for no reason. Dang.
When we tell you to keep your hands on top of your head, you need to keep your hand.
Stop talking to me. I don't care what you say, bro.
It's pretty obvious.
I don't care what you say, bro. What's wrong with y'all, bro? Y'all just want to stop people, man. Bro, stop. Don't ain't no, I got short songs. Man, ain't nothing right there, dude. I got short songs. What did you put me in the car for?
Take a seat.
What did you put me in the car
Get in the
for,
car.
bro? Bro,
Have a
what did you
seat.
put me in the car
Legs in.
for, bro? Damn, bro. Record is clean now. And y'all doing this weird ass shit.
Put your hands on top of your head, man. Just do it. We're going to have you come back towards us. Keep them up on top of your head, man. Subject in the white shirt. Face away from us, walk back to the sound of my voice. Walk back to the sound of my voice. Sir in the red, I need you to face forward for me, okay? Just keep facing forward. We'll explain everything in a minute. Put your hands on top of your head.
Just keep looking forward, bud. Yeah. Stop. Get down on your knees. Put your arms straight back behind you.
Put your hands on your head.
Somebody called and grabbed you and your friend saying you're walking around with a gun. I know, we're gonna figure that out. As long as you guys listen to us. You guys don't have any guns or anything, that's all set to go. We have to make sure and check, right? We're not gonna say you're gonna be in trouble, okay? But when people aren't listening to us, that's why. You got any type of weapons or anything?
No, I only have my phone and money in my pocket.
You swear to people?
This is what did we do?
Did you not just hear me explain it? Okay, bud. You gotta just keep working with us, and then we'll work with you, okay? Okay, well, we'll talk to your parents, okay?
My parents are out of town.
Who are you staying with right now?
I'm at home, but I'm with my brother.
I'm with your brother. And? So there's no adults in your house right now?
What it is, we have our uncle.
Yeah, so...
We're going to jail.
I'm not saying that at all, man.
Huh?
I'm not saying that at all.
My partner explained it to you. Somebody called and said that you did. How old are you, sir? 11. No weapons found on him.
Oh, no, yeah.
Have a seat right there. We'll figure it out. Just hop in.
Alright, let's move back. You ready? Sir in the red, go ahead and step back towards my location. Just keep walking backwards like that, alright? Just follow my voice. Doing good, just keep walking right on back, alright? We'll explain everything back here. Go ahead and stop right there. Just no, keep your hands on top of your head for me, bud. Alright? Just drop down onto your knees for me, okay? Alright.
Take your arms, put them straight back behind you, alright? Sorry. Get it figured out, alright?
Alright.
Go ahead and stand up for me.
Alright, man, what's going on is someone called and said that a black male subject about 13 wearing red, walking with a black male with a black shirt, had a gun in his hand, okay? We're just gonna get you patted down real quick, alright? Just make sure you don't have any guns. You don't have any guns on you, do you? No? Okay. Alright, we're gonna quick do that, okay? And then we're gonna get you right on out of those, okay? It's just for our safety, alright? And you weren't keeping your hands on top of your head for us, okay? How old are you, bud? How old are you, bud?
11.
Alright. Perfect. No, nothing on you. We're gonna take those right on off, alright? Did any one of the other kids have guns on them earlier?
We just came from a football game.
Okay. He's 17.
This kid's a problem.
Yeah.
He's 17 and he's kicking our windows out.
Do you understand what's kind of going on, bud? Okay. We just had someone called and said that a black male about 13 had a gun in his hand, walking with a black male with a black shirt. Okay, right in this area. All right. We didn't say it was you. Okay. but we had you matched the description with the red shirt, okay? And we just have to make sure that everything's okay if there had been a gun or anything like that, all right? So didn't want to upset you or anything like that. We just for our safety, for your safety as well, all right? Where are you guys heading to today?
We was going to Little Caesars.
Little Caesars? Okay. Did you guys just come back from Little Caesars?
No, we was walking to Little Caesars.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. All right. Where were you guys coming from?
We was coming from home.
Okay. All right. Do you have your phone number for your mom?
Or parents.
All three of you guys? No? Okay.
Just me and the one in the white shirt.
The one in the white shirt?
White shirt?
Who's the kid in the black shirt to you?
He's my sister boyfriend.
Okay.
Is he the one taking care of you guys right now? Because he
No,
said your guys' parents were out of town.
Him?
No, he told us that your guys' parents were out of town.
Let's get off to the side a little bit
Yeah.
on the sidewalk. I don't want you on the street. Right on over here, bud. You're not in any trouble. You understand that, right? Do you understand what was kind of going on there? Yeah? All right. We didn't want to upset you or anything like that, all right? The main thing is just to make sure that you guys are safe, everyone else is safe, and that we're safe, okay? All right? Do you have any questions for us? No? I know it's kind of a scary situation, but we want to just make sure that you guys are okay as well, all right? All right? Did you see any kids walking around here that had a gun? Okay. All right.
That's my granddad right there.
Right here? What's your granddad's name? All right. We'll talk to him real quick.